Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Louisa Turnip. Today's video we will talk about the 4 elements that you need to consider when you are drafting or making a contract. A contract ratified or stamped by notary is not guaranteed that contract is going to be enforceable. So what are the elements that make the contract binding and legitimate? Here are the 4 elements that you need to consider. According to Indonesian Civil Code or KUHPerdata, Article 1320, it regulates about formations of a contract. Legitimate contract if they fulfill this. Number 1, the subject. The subject is referring to the human or the body, meaning it can be individual like me, like you, or can be in the form of company or organization. Those parties must be concerned with everything that are stipulated in that contract, meaning there is no pressure, coercion, or force, must be entered with free will. Number 2, still regarding to the requirement of the subject. The subject that are concluded in the contract, they must be competent. Competence according to Indonesian's law if their age at least 21-year-old or can be younger with condition married. And they also must be not under guardianship of other adult. Now moving into the object of the agreement, which is number 3, element number 3. The object of that contract must be clear and must hold value. That's very obvious. Number 4, that contract must be made for admissible cause, meaning that the contract made to regulate something that is not in conflict with law. For example, if the contract made to regulate sales and purchase of marijuana, that kind of contract is void. I give you example number 2, nominee and beneficiary, making a contract so that beneficiary can buy land in Indonesia. That kind of contract is also void, knowing that Indonesian's law does not allow foreigners to have land in Indonesia with certain title. Of course, there are some contracts that must be involving notary.